Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a hanging indent in Canva to neatly format your text. This style is commonly used for references or paragraphs where the first line stays aligned and the following lines are indented. On your Canva dashboard, we will insert a text box. Click the text option on the right side of your dashboard. From here, we just need to adjust the size and place it where we want. Now, we can type our text here, like this, for example. To create the hanging indent, click just before the second word in your sentence. Then press Shift plus Enter on your keyboard. This will create the indent. We can see the text is now indented. We can apply this to the rest of the text as well. Next, align the text to the left so it sits neatly on the left side. We can also indent it to the right, depending on what works best for our design. That is how we create a hanging indent in Canva in just a few simple steps. With better text formatting, our designs will look more organized and professional.